Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about len is number and value. So first of all, I want to find the sum of events for each organization. So in this case, I want to create a pivot table. I just come to insert and pivot table. So I choose the location here and okay. So here I can create my pivot table. I just come to track organization row and here I found the events to the value. So in first glance it looks just fine, but here is a problem. So we don't want the count of events, we want the sum of events. I just right click here and I come here to summarize by sum. Oops, here we have a problem. So all of these are 0. It means we have problem here. So first of all, I want to apply my function is number. If I want to become sure if it's number or not, I just write here is number, and when I click here, close the bracket. So when I press here, I have two possibilities. If it's number, it will be true. If it's not, it will be false. Enter. Yes, it's false. So these are not number. The next thing I want to do is to find the length of this, if we have unwanted characters or not. So I just write here equal sign len comma and I select this, close the bracket and enter. You can see it's just 1. I just click here. You can see it's almost okay, but we have some thing here. For example, I have 2 characters here and here I have 3. It should be 2. So for now, in that case, I want to apply a trim function on my number or text here. I should apply trim function. Trim, close the bracket and enter. So when we come here and double click here, you can see now it's okay. So now I want to change my text to value. I use the value function. I just write here equal sign value, select this, close the bracket and enter. I just double click here. Yes, so I just select this, Control C, I copy this and I come here. You can see now it's false. I want to copy this by value here. Yes, all of this changed to true and this one are the numbers. So now I just come here to my pivot table. I just click on this, I come to analyze and refresh it. You can see now I have all of this. So that's it about value is number and len functions. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.